Hello folks, welcome to the channel. If you're getting a status access violation error in Google Chrome or Edge, then watch this video for the solution. Now the first thing we need to do is either open Chrome or Edge. I will open Chrome and click on the three buttons here. Then go to history, click on history again, click on delete browsing data, and you can select the range all time and then make sure these three boxes are ticked and click on delete data. Now after that we need to check if the extensions are disabled, so click on the three buttons again, go to extensions, manage extensions, and make sure that all these extensions are switched off or in the off position, and then restart the browser. Now if that doesn't work, then we will flush the DNS. So we will go to command prompt, right click on it, click on run as administrator, and then we will enter the command ipconfig slash flush DNS and press enter. Now we can restart the browser again and check if you encounter this error again. If you still encounter this error, then the only solution is to do a hard uninstall and reinstall. By that I mean you need to right click on the start button, go to settings and click on apps, then look for installed apps, and in installed apps you need to look for Chrome, and you need to click on these three buttons here and click on uninstall and uninstall again. Now why I mean hard uninstall, you need to also delete the folder from the app data. So what you need to do is press the Windows key and the R button, and you need to enter the command percentage app data percentage. This will take you to the app data file. So this is an app data roaming. I'll search for Google here. I can't find any Google folder here, so I'll go back to app data and check in local, and here I can see whether the Google folder is there or not. Here it is. I will just right click on it and I will delete it. And once you do that, you restart the computer, click on restart, and then we will reinstall Google again. So we'll do that by going to another browser and then looking for Google Chrome download, and then we will click on this link, click on download, and once it's downloaded you will right click on the installer and run as the administrator, and your Google Chrome should start working perfectly, or Edge in that matter. If this video helped you, then kindly subscribe to the channel. Enjoy your day.